I'm Harold from Mowtown Waldo Implement. I want to show you the Makita leaf blower today. It's a 36 volt. It has two 18 volt batteries giving you twice the length of time to blow. And the nice thing is it comes with 4 batteries. So when these two are dead, you have 2 fully charged up on the battery charger. And when those are exchanged, you can ready to go because you'll have the other ones charged. Let's give it a try. I'm going to show you the mulch kit for fall leaf cleanup. You put this mulch kit on your mower, then you don't have to bag all your leaves. The kit consists of a mulch plug on the end, which covers the end of the mower where the leaves normally come out, and then it also comes with 2 mulching blades. The secret to mulching is to cut the blades, the grass and leaves up, and then it's bent up to shove them down. And then we also have a wire here that keeps the mulch kit from deflecting and letting the leaves come out the back. I'll show you in a minute.
Okay.
Alright, I have the mulch kit installed. I have the blades put on underneath, and I have the mulching plug put in here. It connects in the front here so it can't come out of the front. It goes down into the groove on your mulching, on your mower deck. And then this wire right here goes under this nut. Helps support the back side here so the mulching kit doesn't bulge because there's an awful lot of pressure on there from all the leaves and grass. I'll show you how it works. was one pass over those leaves. Some of them were about 8-10 inches thick. I'll show you what happens when you drive over them one more time. After I went over everything twice, you'll see how it has grounded up basically into powder, stems and all. No need to bag your leaves in the fall. Just grind them up into mulch and fertilize your lawn.